want to take you on a quick tour of my mirror and cell. This is a 14-inch f4.5. The mirror cell and the mirror are from 2010, 2011. And it's had good results, but it's had some astigmatism of late, and I'm trying to figure out why. So I had previously, you can see in some of the photos, silicone adhesived it to the surface, but I've since removed that as best I could. It's about as clean as it's going to get for now. So these are screwed in, and there's three in total, 3 teeter bars, right? I don't know what they're called. And each one has 2 pads. They were previously, let's see, where's the stiff one? This one right here. So they were tight, right? I mean, all the way tight. This is basically how I had done it previously. I think it was probably too tight. This doesn't flex. This doesn't flex, right? There's no flexure at all. One of the solutions I had, because there was some binding between these screw heads here that have a tiny little spacer that would allow it to rock a little bit. It was, yeah, the back of the mirror. It was causing some binding and some metal fatigue here, so I put in a little door stopper here, and it actually worked pretty well. But again, I had tightened it pretty tight. So I'm trying to figure out how much slack it should have. I also tried a couple of shorter washers out, and it gives, and I can loosen this more, but I don't want to loosen it to the point where the little thing pops out like that, which I don't know how much it should. I guess the other question I had was how much slack should these have before I glue them back on? So, I don't know, of all these options, looking for some good advice before I close it up for good, right? So, how much rock should the teeter bar have? This one's pretty good. And how much rock should the arms have? None, some, a lot. I don't think the screw heads are going to get in the way, and there'll be silicone adhesive in here. Let me know your thoughts. Thanks.